Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands. So if that's what you're into, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and let's go ahead and get started in today's video. You guys. All right. So, first of all, ignore my hair's just crazy, but that's okay. It goes with my personality. So Unearthly Cosmetics had a warehouse sale. You got 30% off. So of course I had to pick up some things, picked up some satin liquid lipsticks, which I absolutely adore. And I got 2 palettes. So one of those palettes is what we're going to use today. It's the Fairy Frolic palette. Like, their artwork is just awesome. Their palettes are phenomenal. I love their artwork. And here's the inside of this beautiful, beautiful palette. I'm really excited to use this today. This is just such a beautiful earthy toned color story, and y'all know, like, I absolutely adore nature. I was actually just telling my husband I somehow want to become a forest ranger. I have no idea what you have to do that. You probably have to have some really crazy expensive degrees that I can't afford, but I don't know. I really am needing more nature time in my life, and with my job it doesn't allow it. Like, I literally can't even, like, leave the office. I'm literally stuck in an office 8 hours a day. Can't get out. Can't even take a break. Whatever. But anyway, yeah. So let's go ahead and get started. We will do 2 different looks, and let's see what happens. All right. So what do I want to start out with? I want to start out with the shade. Let's start with the shade Fern. This is like a really pretty mustardy yellow, just grungy, beautiful. Let's start out with that. Okay. So yesterday it was like too cold to get out and really do much, so I didn't do anything, and now I'm feeling the pressure to do all the things on my couple hours before I have to start getting ready for bed for the long work week, and it's just like super duper stressing me out because I just woke up and that fire in my soul was like, you need to get out, you need to do photography, you need to do photos, because that's, you know, what I love. That and makeup, which I guess is not really that strange of a combo, but so now I'm like, oh my gosh, we have to like go pick up groceries, all the things. So I'm just trying to figure out how to make all that happen in this short little time window that I have, because there's not really anything good near us to photograph, so I would have to drive like an hour or 2 to even get to like something decent, and that's hard when you're down to like your last 6 hours of time before you have to get ready for bed. So the struggles of a very demanding job. Anyway, next, let's go in with, you know what? Let's go with the shade. I don't know. I'm like, do I want to go with Eden, which is the green one, or Bark? Because let's go with Eden, this green shade. I'm just feeling the green right now. Also, my camera battery is like, whoa, going crazy, dying super fast. I've already lost 1 bar, and I've been filming for 6 minutes. So that's not cool. Okay. Okay, these 2 shades are going really well together. So I'm glad I picked the green shade to pair with the pretty mustard yellow shade. I don't know. Sundays are just always my super crazy day. Cause yeah, like I said, there's just so much I have to do, and the weekend is like over for me on Sundays, and so it's a lot. It is a lot. All right. I'm just feeling like all the glitter today, so let's go ahead and go in, and we're just gonna have like a fully glittery, beautiful lid. Let's just do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's see what happens. Cause I'm needing the glitter today. All right, now let's just swatch these just because. So the first shimmer shade is Fairy right here. That is Fairy right there. And then next we have Mystical Moss, which is right here. That's really pretty. All right, Mystical Moss. And then we have Meadow, which is right here. That is Meadow. And then we have Queen Mab, which is right here. Queen Mab. And then we have Frolic, which is right here. These are just absolutely adorable, by the way. I really like that one. Alright, you guys, so here are those shimmers. Like, those greens, man, they are just so pretty. Okay. Now, I know you guys, don't get mad at me for taking a moment to take this all in and decide what shade I want to go in with, please. I'm kind of wanting to... Okay, we're going to go in with... This isn't even the brush I want. I'm sorry. Here we go. We're going to start with Fairy, and we're going to add in something else. So this is Fairy right here. So we're going to put that down, and then we're going to add another shimmer with it just to add a little something something. This is like such a pretty purplish shade. It's kind of giving me more Topper vibes, which I was kind of wondering, should I put a matte shade down and then put this over it? But this is actually really, really pretty just going on by itself. I'm just hoping that it's showing up enough on camera. I think it is on camera. Okay, so this is really, really pretty. Again, I really, really like this. And I'm just wanting to... I'm kind of thinking, what could I put in? I don't know. I'm feeling Frolic. I just want to take this shade on my finger and just put like a little touch of that in. Oh yes, in the center. Just, yeah, that definitely just did something that was absolutely beautiful. Okay, that is so pretty. That is totally giving fairy vibes as well, and I absolutely love that. So I'm glad I decided to do that. And now for the lower lash line, I just really want to go in with something very light because, like, I don't know, I just do. And I'm just gonna take, you know, let's go with the shade Fern, just ever so lightly, and just lightly put this on the lower lash line. Just the smallest little touch of it. And then for the lower inner corner highlight, I want to go in with that green shade, Mystical Moss, which is right here, and just so, so pretty. I just absolutely love this. This is just such a simple but absolutely beautiful look. All right, now I'm going to, for the other eye, we're going to start with the shade Snapdragon, which is this shade right here. And then we are going to go in with the shade Bark, which is this shade right there. And we're just going to deepen that crease. Okay, now we're going with the glitter glue. And we're going with the green shade this time. So I'm thinking to kind of like match the vibes of this eye, we're gonna go in with Meadow first, and then add something to it. So this is Meadow right here. This is so pretty. Okay. Now, I was kind of thinking like, I kind of want to put the purple shade Fairy in the center of this just to see how that looks on top of it, because I feel like that'd be like a really cool contrast. And again, I hope you guys can see the difference. I'm just gonna pack this one on a little more. It's really, really, really pretty. And then for the lower lash line, I'm just gonna kind of do that exact same thing, just going with the shade Fern, just ever so lightly. And then for the lower inner corner highlights, I think I'm gonna go in with that Queen Mab shade, which is this one right here. Okay, I think I'm going to put a little bit of Frolic, which is this one right here, on it as well, because I just want like a little more sparkle. Okay, that's perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, you guys. She's just so pretty. I am going to go do my mascara and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I am back and I just want to do like a rundown of a couple products that are on my face. And also I realized, I think in the beginning of the video, I think I said the Unearthly Cosmetics sale was 30% off. It was actually 50% off. I was thinking of the Moira Cosmetics sale that was 30% off, which I picked up some blushes and a lippy and one of their new highlighters. And I did get a palette as well. But the blush that I'm wearing today, this is the Moira Love Steady Liquid Blush Radiant Finish. And it's in the shade Ideally. This is just so beautiful. You can see that, just absolutely pretty. Just, I don't know, it's like a purple pink and it is just so pretty, and I wore that today. So that's the blush I'm wearing. The highlight is the Moira Dreamlight highlighter in the shade Honeysuckle. This is my first time trying this highlight and I absolutely love it. It is absolutely beautiful, gorgeous. You can see that glow, and with the radiant blush, it's just a perfect pairing. And then for the lipstick that I'm wearing, it's the Moira Signature Lipstick Balm Texture and Lip Shine, and this is in the shade Blushed, and just very, very pretty. So those are some of the other things that are on my face. I just wanted to share that with you because I'm really enjoying these products. And for the palette, it's the Fairy Frolic palette by Unearthly Cosmetics. You guys know I just absolutely fallen in love with Unearthly Cosmetics. Their palettes are absolutely gorgeous. Just look at that. So pretty. And these are the looks that I created using this palette. They're lighter than what I usually do, but I absolutely am loving them. They're just so fun and beautiful. And I don't know, I'm loving the little extra pop of color in the center that I added, and I think it just brought the looks together. So that is it for today's video. You guys, thank you so much again for supporting my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. If you know someone who you think may enjoy my content, feel free to share that with them. That would mean the world to me. And just remember that you are loved, you're amazing, you're beautiful, and have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.